If he blocks you, let him. If he ignores you, let him. If he doesn't reply to your text immediately, let him. If he doesn't send you a heart emoji, let him. If he's jealous because you went out with your girlfriends, let him. You see, I want you to understand one thing about men. You cannot control what a man does or how he feels. And if you try to mold him to become this man you so much want him to be, you will always be disappointed. Because the most important thing for any man is his freedom. And he will always do what he really wants to do. What you should actually do is detach yourself from whatever this man is doing. Being completely indifferent, if he blocks you or not, is exactly what gives you full power over the situation. Because the more reactive you are to anything a man does, for example, he blocks you and you write him a whole message of you love him so and why did he do this to you and you don't understand what's happening, the more you show him that you are needy, that you are desperate for his attention. And when you show him that whatever he does, you stay completely indifferent, he will come running after you, because every man always wants what he cannot have easily.